I'm gonna do a giveaway. Doc Martinez here. Do you ever have those days where you feel bulletproof? If so, this is gonna be the old fashioned for you. For this new year, we're gonna continue with the Kiss series old fashioned. Today, I will be making an old fashioned cocktail out of this Bulleit Bourbon Barrel Strenght. I'm going to call it Bulleit Proof Old Fashioned. 1, because it's a Bulleit Bourbon Barrel Strenght. 2, because it's also one of the simplest ways to make an old fashioned that is foolproof, or should I say barrel proof. 3, plus on my drive back from Colorado, I was listening to the song Titanium and I thought the lyrics bulletproof were catchy.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to do.
4, I think Bulleit Bourbon or rye is found in most bars and is an easy to go to for an old fashioned. It does make a solid old fashioned even with a semi-decent bartender. Bulleit Distillery was founded in 1987 and is one of the fastest growing whiskeys in America. The Bulleit Frontier whiskey portfolio is distilled and aged in the Bulleit family tradition, using a distinctive high-rye recipe which gives them both spicy, bold, yet distinctively smooth taste. Cocktail quiz time! What's the difference between rye and bourbon? Is the answer really that obvious? The barrels selected to create Bulleit Barrel Strenght are emptied and combined into a single batch without any additional water after whiskey has been removed from the barrels. Now here are some of the Bulleit Barrel Strenght tasting notes from their websites. I will leave a link to that below. Bulleit Barrel Strenght is medium amber in color with gentle spiciness and sweet oak aromas. Because Bulleit Barrel Strenght is being bottled straight from the barrel, uncut and unfiltered, ABV will vary from batch to batch, but will generally range between 120 and 125 in proof. If you're liking these videos, please tap on that like button and hit that notification bell. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. Ingredients for Bulleit Proof Old Fashioned: 2 ounces Bulleit Bourbon Barrel Strenght, 1 bar spoon of Demerara simple syrup, 2 dashes Angostura bitters, 1 dash barrel aged bitters, lemon peel. Alright, let's make a Bulleit Proof Old Fashioned. In a large rocks glass, I'm going to add a bar spoonful of simple syrup. I'm using a Demerara simple syrup because it's richer and has more flavor. Bring out more of the flavors and tones in this barrel strength bourbon. Next, we're going to be adding 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and also 1 dash of this barrel aged bitters. Next, we'll be adding 2 ounces of this barrel bourbon barrel strength. Add 2 to 3 pieces of small ice to the glass, and we're going to stir until chilled. We're going to set this to the side for a moment, and we're going to be serving this in a bulletproof glass. Drain the cocktail into a bulletproof glass, and don't forget to squeeze that lemon peel over the drink, and then drop that lemon peel in. And there you have it, bulletproof old fashioned. Cocktail quiz time! What's the difference between rye and bourbon? Answer: bourbon can only be produced in the United States, not just Kentucky. It's made from a mash bill of at least 51% corn and then matured in brand new charred oak barrels. Rye whiskey follows the same rules as bourbon, but must contain at least 51% rye in its mash bill. Alright, so let's taste this bulletproof old fashioned. This has a nice strong lemon citrus smell, and then you have that nice whiskey behind it. Alright, now that barrel aged bitters I think is what I'm tasting here. I've never had the barrel aged bitters before, but it is actually a little bit smoky. I get this smoky taste on this. You know what? I'm gonna try something. I've tried a lot of Bulleit bourbons, but I have not tried this barrel strength one. Okay, big difference in smell. Oh wow. That is some good stuff. Okay, so that's not nearly as smoky as the drinks. I think it's actually the bitters that's adding all that smokiness, so let's go back into this. Oh wow. First of all, how can you go wrong with such a good bourbon? This bourbon is amazing. I really like it. As I said, it's the first time I tried this barrel strength one, and it's great. It coats the tongue, stays there. It doesn't feel hot. It's let's see, this is 60.1% alcohol, so about 120 proof. It does not hit you like 120 proof. It actually goes down very nicely. I love the way it coats the tongue, and like they said, it does have a long-lasting flavor at the end, so it actually still stayed on my tongue. So good, so complex. Citrus nose, the citrus on the nose coats your tongue. Tastes like just an amazing old-fashioned. This is definitely one that you need to try. It is super good, and of course, don't waste it. Okay, so when I bought this glass, I ended up buying 2 glasses. I am not sponsored by them, but they're Ben Shot glasses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a giveaway. Now, originally I was just gonna give away this glass, but you know what? After tasting this drink and tasting this bourbon, I'm gonna step it up a notch. What we're gonna do is give away this glass, and I'm gonna send a sample of this bourbon. That way you can make this drink at home. So to have a chance to win this glass and a sample of this bourbon, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button on this video, and leave a comment below on what's your favorite whiskey for your old fashioned. I will choose a winner the week after I post this video. Thank you again for following me down this old fashioned rabbit hole. Here is the Bulleit Proof Old Fashioned, one of my favorites, my favorite for this year at least. As you can see, I've already drank most of this one. See you on the next video. Cheers.